another DIY oatmeal mask. This one's going to be an activated charcoal and lavender oatmeal mask. I'll start with about 2 tablespoons of water. A lot of this is just going to depend on your preference for texture and scent. 2 drops of lavender essential oil, 1 drop of tea tree oil. I'm going to use 2 capsules of activated charcoal. I got this at Walmart. I found it's easier to kind of pinch the one that is inside and pull one that's on the outside off because it makes less of a mess, but I'm holding right over my container. Put that activated charcoal into the water. And this one. Here's the second one. I'm trying to mix this a little. It's a really warm mix. Obviously there's oil and water don't normally mix that well. So it's time for the oatmeal. I've ground this up and put it in something where I could pour. Let's see how that works. For now, definitely gonna need some more oatmeal. I love the smell of the oats, but adding the lavender is really cool. I don't smell the activated charcoal. I don't think it has any kind of scent. Let me know if you have found otherwise, but so far, the things I've mixed it in, I haven't noticed it smelling like anything. This will thicken up as it sits, especially if you put it in the refrigerator. It is oatmeal. I'm going to be impatient and use it right now, and then I'm going to put the rest of it in the refrigerator. I'm just using this clean knife to kind of just plop some of it in my hand for me to use.
Clean hands, clean face. Smells so good.
I'm going to leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes until it's dry, and then I'm going to wash it off and maybe we'll talk about it a little bit. Okay, here's the finished product. This is what it looks like dry on my face. So I'm going to put the lid on this. We're going to pop this in the refrigerator and we'll go wash my face. Okay, I took the activated charcoal oatmeal mask off. I rinsed it off with warm water and my skin feels soft, and the clogged pores I felt like I had, it looked like I was maybe trying to have a teensy breakout. It's not like that anymore. It looks better already. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you decide to try this mask. If you do, let me know. If you have questions, email me. Find me on Twitter, Instagram. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Ring the notification bell if you haven't already so you'll know when I upload. I try to upload 4 to 5 times a week. I love you guys so much, and I will let you go into the next video. Mwah.